Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $4.89 that I will be able to put into all of my envelopes. So I'm just going to figure out the amounts that are going to go into each one in this video. And then tomorrow I'll have a cash stuffing where I actually put the money into my envelopes. So I have everything written down, all my envelopes. I have some new savings challenges that I'm excited to start this week. Yeah, let me get started. So I already figured out the wallet part of this cash plan. I always budget about the same amount in each envelope. So this week, it's gonna be a total of $170 in my wallet. Spending is gonna get $30. This week, eating out will get $30, groceries, $80. Coffee, $20, and buffer will get $10. And buffer is just extra money in case I need it, in case I'm short $1 or $2, or if I need to make change. So that's there, just like I said, just in case. So that's $170 total. So $4.89 minus the $170 is $3.19, and then whatever is left over in here, I will put this leftover money. The majority of it will go into savings challenges. So that's always fun. To see how much I'm able to save just from not spending. But yeah, that's $170. So I have a total now of $319. And like I mentioned, I have some savings challenges that I just got. So I want to start with those just to get those out of the way since I get to roll the dice on one of them. Okay, this is a new one. This is Retractable from the Millennial Dollar. Look how cute this is. I love that it's seasonal. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do with this, I don't know how other people play this, but this is how I'm going to play it. I want to play it like it's Monopoly. So I'm going to, get my dice. Get some dice. I just got these cute pink ones. Look how cute. Pink and green. Love pink and green together. But yeah, I just got some new dice from Mojo Budgets. And I have this new savings tracker right here, or savings challenge that I'm going to be doing too. But for now, I'm just going to do this one. Okay, so obviously start at go. And I think what I'm going to do is I'll roll once to see how many times I'm going to roll. And then I'll roll to see where I'm landing. Oh, you know what? I need to get some. A sticky note. Just need one. Okay, so let's see how many times. You know what? I think I'm just gonna roll. Let's just do 3 rolls because I feel like this could get to be a lot. I'm sure, like, if you wanted just to go down the line, you could go down the line and then you'll save 152. But again, I want to play it like it's Monopoly. So I'm just going to roll, and then I'm going to roll twice. I'm just going to roll twice on this one. We'll see how much that gets me. Okay, so I have 6. So I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's $3. 2, 1, 2, which is 9. Okay, so that's $12 in here. And then I'm just gonna mark this so that way I know where I left off. Okay, I'll just mark it. Is this? Yeah, this is glossy. Okay, so I can use a Sharpie and then I can just wipe it off. So I'm right here. That way, next time I do this, when I play, I know where I'm going to, where I need to start. But yeah, I'll roll more once I have like my YouTube paycheck. I'll probably roll like 6 times. For these weekly ones, maybe 2 or 3 times. I'll just kind of decide how I want to do that. Okay, so that one is good. I feel like $9 or $12 is a good amount to put into that challenge. So that is the Retractable. That's getting $12 this week. Okay, and then I want to do, let's only roll the dice one. Okay, let's do this one next. Okay, so this is a to-do one where you get to check things off. So let's do this one from here. And I think I will do the 8. And then maybe when I have my leftover money, I'll be able to check off another one. So I'll just do $8 in this one. Okay, let me just, no, okay, I've already done there, so that's fine. Okay, so $8 is gonna go in there. Okay, those are the only ones I really wanted to do first. Oh, actually, no, I take that back. One other one, just to get it out of the way too, is the cash stash one. Okay, so I already did this one. I still need to color it in, so ignore that. I'm going to plan for 25 and hope that I can bump it up to maybe 35 with some leftover money. So planning for 25 on this one. Okay, I will come back to the rest of these savings challenges. Those are just the ones I wanted to get out of the way first. And now I'm just gonna go into my binder. I have some that I want to prioritize first though when it comes to my envelopes, and I just want to focus on first. Okay, so extra savings. This week I'll put 15 into extra savings. And month ahead we'll get 15. And then also I have a couple in here. Go Wild will get 15 because this trip is coming up quick. And then Treat Yourself will get 15. Okay. Okay, back to this binder. All right, so now auto this week, I will put 10 in auto. Electronics will get 5. Emergency, I will put 10 in here. So this isn't one of my priorities anymore, but it's still gonna get not a low amount each week. Okay, did that one. Furniture will get 5 this week. That's done. Rainy day will get, I kind of want to put 10 in here. Registration's good. Road trip will get 5. Scentsy, 5. Subscriptions, 10. Travel, 5. Okay. Let's go into this binder next. Beauty will get 5. Clothing, I have a decent amount of clothing, so that will just get 5. Nothing in content. Costco will get 5. This also gets my leftover money from groceries, whatever is left over in there. Family. Family. Okay, I'll put 5 in family. Gifts will get 5. Home will get 5. Lots of 5s. Household, 5. Target, 5. Okay. And then last binder, I have a couple in here, and I might be able to bump up some of these a little bit more. But let me see. Okay, Disney, I have 57. So I'm going to Disney in a couple weeks for my birthday. And right now they're doing a food and wine festival. And then you can buy like a little pass, like a badge. Yeah, a pass. And try out different foods. So I plan on doing that. I think because I have a pass, we get a discount. I think it's about $50 for this, and you get to try like 8 different things. So I have enough to pay for that, so that's good. But I still want to buy other things too on top of that. I also want to get a couple of drinks and stuff. So I think this week I'll just put 10 in here for now, but I'll have to, like next week, put a little bit more into that one. Fun, we'll get 5. Hobbies will get 5. Christmas will get 5. And holiday decor will get 5, because these are not super high priority envelopes, so those are good amounts for that. And then I think I do want to bump up a couple of these. Okay, before I move on to the rest of my savings challenges. Okay, so I think travel, I want to get up to 10. So that's another 5. And family, I want to get up to 10 as well. So I'm hanging out with my family next week for my mom's birthday, so I just want to have a little bit more in there. All right, I'm left with 69, and I think, let's see, I think that's a good amount to go in here. Actually, I might be able to do some more in savings challenges, and I might be able to bump up a couple more of these. Okay, let me get I forgot my 100 envelope challenge, so let me get that. All right, so I have the 100 envelope challenge here, and I'm almost done with this. This is so exciting. Okay, so I want to do, I usually do 10, but I think this week I'll do 15. And then maybe I'll be able to bump it up a little bit more with leftover money. So 100 envelope, I'll do 15. And then I have 52 circle, which I want to put, let's do 11. Okay, I'm left with $43. Let's do, I have this cute new Penny the Pig challenge. This is from my shop, which I'm working on making more of these, but my sister drew up this cute little pig with the little 4-leaf clover headband. It's so adorable. So I think I want to color in 3 of these this week, so that's $30. And then I want to do $3 into the $1 challenge. And then I have $10 left, which, okay, all of the challenges have been done. I think that 10, I might just bump up a couple of envelopes. So I have $10. Let's do, I'm gonna do Go Wild and Treat Yourself. I'll put 20 in those this week. Okay, so that should be the full $489. I'm just gonna double check my counts and make sure I really do have 49, and then I can move on to the next step. Okay, so my counts look good. So now I just I need to figure out the denominations that I'm gonna ask for when I go to the bank today. So auto is gonna be a 10, electronics 5, I have a 10 here, 15, 5, and then 15, 10, a couple of 5s, 10, 10, 3 5s here, and then family is 10, and then 3 5s here, no, actually 4 5s, and then 20, 20, 10, 20, a few 5s here, 25, 25, 15, Locopoly is 12, so that's 10, 11, 12. To do is 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 52 circle is 11, so 10, 11. And then the $10 challenge is 30, so that's 3 10s. And then the $1 challenge is 3. Okay, so now I'm just gonna count the tallies. 50s, I just need 1. 20s, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And then ones, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have 14. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 14. Okay, now I'm just going to count the, multiply these together to see the amounts, and then I can see if they total out to 489. So that's 50. 6 times 20 is 120, and then 200. 210 times, or 21 times 5 is 105, I believe. At least I can guess myself on the 5s. And then 14. All right, so then we got 50, 120, 200, 105, and 14. Perfect, 489. So that is what I'm putting into my envelopes this week. So let me get a little sticky note here that I can take this to the bank. So 50s times 1 is $50. 20, I need 6, and that is 120. 10s times 20 is $200. 5s times 21 is 105. And then 1s times 14 is $14. So that is a total of $489. And then I will just take this to the bank with me, get that money, and then I will be able to cash stuff for the week. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Thank you again so much actually for watching, for being here, for supporting my channel, for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. It really means a lot and really helps me out to hit these financial goals that I have set for myself. So I really appreciate you taking the time to do that. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.